In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Printify publishing error. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, we all know that running an online store can sometimes feel a bit like navigating a maze, especially when technical glitches pop up, and one of those common issues is publishing errors on Printify. So, let's dive into how you can tackle this problem head-on and keep your store running smoothly. First and foremost, the first step in addressing any publishing error is to identify the exact nature of the issue. When you try to publish a product and it doesn't go through, you'll typically see an error message. It's important to read this message carefully, because it usually gives you a clue about what's gone wrong. This could be related to image resolution, text size, product availability, or even compatibility issues with the platform you're using. Speaking of images, let's touch on that aspect first. Print quality is key in the print-on-demand business. So if your images are low resolution, or if there's any kind of mismatch between the recommended size and the size you've uploaded, you might face a publishing error. To fix this, make sure your images are at least 300 dpi dots per inch, which generally works for high-quality print files. If your current images aren't up to par, you might need to resize or replace them with higher quality versions. Now let's move on to product descriptions. If your product description is too long or contains restricted or unsupported text elements, this can also halt the publishing process. It's a good practice to keep your descriptions clear and concise, using simple language that conveys what the product is about without overdoing it. If you encounter an error related to text, consider crafting a shorter, clearer version of your description. Another possible reason you might experience a publishing error is due to selected colors or variants that are unavailable. Sometimes, a product might look good in the app, but when it comes to the supplier's actual inventory, it's a different story. Input errors can occur, so make sure that the variant you're trying to publish is actually available from your print provider. If necessary, check the provider's catalog or consider selecting different options that are confirmed to be in stock. Now let's discuss compatibility with your e-commerce platform. If you're integrating Printify with a platform like Shopify or Etsy, ensure that your account settings are correctly configured. Sometimes, authentication issues can lead to errors during the publishing phase. Double-check that your accounts are linked properly and that you have the necessary permissions set to allow product listings. If all else fails, you can always try disconnecting your Printify account from your online store and then reconnecting it. This fresh connection can sometimes resolve lingering authentication errors that cause problems. Lastly, if you continue to experience publishing issues despite all these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to Printify's customer support. They are a valuable resource and can provide additional insight specific to your account or product issue. When you contact them, make sure to provide them with as much information as possible, including the error message you received and the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. Remember, fixing a publishing error may take some time, but with a little patience and by following these steps, you should be able to get your products live and available for sale. Keep calm and keep checking back with the resources available both on the Printify site and on their community forums to stay updated on any known issues or additional fixes. So there you have it. With this guidance, you can confidently navigate through any Printify publishing errors that come your way. If you found this information helpful today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights and tips to help you with your online